Hi guys, I'm back again in Manuel and it's a Lama gathering. Lama stands for Latin American Motorcycles Association. Henry, my neighbor and my dear friend, is the main event manager here. And there are so many hundreds of these bike lovers that you can see behind me. They come up with their excellent, brand new, stylish bikes that they maintain with pride. And so many of them keep on updating every month. So let's see what's new here today and enjoy the show. I love it. I have my friend here, Kevin, along with me, and he's a great bike lover.
He's a liar.
Say hello.
Don't believe him, man. Whatever he say, he's no good. Unsubscribe from him. No more likes for him. I'm just kidding. No, for real. Like him, subscribe. Today is a bike night. We're gonna have a fun here.
Okay, tell us something about your passion about the bike.
Oh, the passion about the bike. I mean, I love biking and riding bikes because what I see is biking is like it releases all that depression, all the problems that you have. So riding gives you that little freedom. You know, it's all of this kind of pandemic and all this craziness that's going on all over the world. So
it peps you up with adrenaline.
Yeah, it gives you that adrenaline. It gives you that a lot of freedom. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, makes you feel mature, man.
All that daily routine and all that. So you wanna sometimes you wanna just escape it and go places and meet other riders. All of these guys.
Right, excellent.
Same thing. We're all like brothers here, sisters. All that
Excellent.
You should be riding too, man.
I do.
Well, you do riding. You better be riding. Watch him.
Right.
And subscribe on his channel.
Yeah,
give me your channel. Yeah,
okay.
give me your channel. I'll subscribe.
Sure. Guys, Kevin is a darling. He is a very nice, humorous guy. And these events, they really bring a lot of brotherhood between all their members. They come, they show off their bikes, they keep on showing their upgrades, what they've done to their bikes. Every single time, there are people who keep on updating their bikes and bring them over to a show like this to show off to their friends. So let's see what's in it today. That's an awesome cannon. Sorry, that's the Harley Davidson.
up and down and do it.